Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are well. So today I am doing a hair review and install from Ali Gray's Hair. Super excited to try this hair out. I received a 22-inch Brazilian body wave closure wig, and this hair is so gorgeous so far, and the lace is really nice as well. They also sent me an elastic band, so we love those. And they also sent a bonnet, which is reversible, super cute. The pink side, and then there's a black side that says Ali Gray's as well. So let's go ahead and start getting this wig together. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start brushing out the hair. You guys know when it comes in the pack, it's not as flat as you would like it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start parting it and making it flat so we can install it on my head. So I'll use a wig head so it's easier for me to be able to see the hair and style it accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and use my pressing comb to flatten out this part and show you guys the process of me getting this wig ready to install on my head. So now I'm just trimming the hair so that I can have a little bit of layers in the front so that it'll frame my face really well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to flat iron and prepare the wig for install. So now I'm just cutting the lace so I can put this on my head. This is HD lace, so it's really nice and it's gonna melt into your skin really well. I love HD lace, so I'm really interested to see what this one will look like on me. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love how it came out. I love how the hair curled and took a curl. I thought it was really pretty. I love how flowy and bouncy the hair is. The lace is also very nice, so I absolutely love that. It's a 22 inch, but it's actually kind of long for a 22 inch, so I like that as well. The hair is full and I just love it, guys. So check out my description box down below for Ali Gray's hair. This is a 22 inch Brazilian body wave HD closure wig. So I'll link this exact wig down below for you guys and the link to Ali Gray's hair. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about my Ali Gray's wig. And until next time, I will see you guys later.